Hello, my name is Franer Ram. I am level 2 of the English section A2A. The award of faded uses to link sense or the clause to his flow to a text. The types of connector are additive, adversative, casual, consecutive, temporal, illustrative, consecutive, and conclusive. I am going to give an example of additive and conclusive connector. Additive connector y addition are the tools that are informative of reinforce and edit conclusive connector. To conclusive indication the end of idea. For example, A. Luis, in addition to your opinion, Anton concluded and I will summarize the topic. Hope you understood my explain. Thank you. This was the whole video.